and visuals coming live to you on your screen of that victory parade of Shubhanshu Shukla, the captain of the XM4 mission to the space mission. He had received a hero's welcome, and there you can see school children there lining up. These are children from his school CMS, and that is where he's going to be headed later. He is going to be felicitated at that event at the school where he studied, and followed by a felicitation by the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath as well, who's gone on to say that honouring the space hero is crucial in order to inspire the future generation, is what Yogi Adityanath has gone on to say. And in fact, that is something that as far as achievement is concerned, an achievement that's a proud symbol of courage, dedication and commitment to science. And it's not just the people of India, but especially the people of Uttar Pradesh, who feel extremely honoured to have their their homeboy back home, that homecoming, particularly when it comes to his family members. His sister is waiting to tie Rakhi to him when she sees him. The big question is, will he be allowed to go to his residence? Because there are certain security protocols in place at the moment. He's being taken to that guest house, the government guest house, where he's going to be staying over the next 3 days. Well, a lot is planned, including, of course, a road that has been named in his honour. A road that is leading to his residence has been named Shubhanshu Shukla. This is in order to honour the space hero. Ranveer joining us. Ranveer, what a welcome. We are seeing that road show that's taking place, this homecoming of the Lucknow ka ladka, the astronaut who has made every Indian proud, but particularly all of us getting goosebumps just seeing the people of Lucknow there gathering to welcome Shuks, their very own Shubhanshu Shukla.
Yes, the excitement level is very high. I am in Lucknow, the hometown of Shubhanshu Shukla. Shubhanshu Shukla is on a special rath prepared by CMS school, and he, along with his family members, they are joining in a road show, and I am here at a point where Shubhanshu Shukla will reach in another couple of minutes, and you can see the excitement level of these kids. They are from DPS, not that CMS where Shubhanshu Shukla studied, but every school, every kid, everyone in Lucknow is excited. They are obviously very much feeling inspirational, because Shubhanshu Shukla, the hero of XM4 mission. So the excitement level is very high. Shubhanshu Shukla is on the way to CMS, where he studies few years back, and after joining Air Force, no one knows that Shubhanshu will be an astronaut, and now Shubhanshu Shukla is a history. Shubhanshu Shukla, the first one to reach International Space Station. So today is the first visit of Shubhanshu Shukla in Lucknow, and now CM Yogi Adityanath, along with his cabinet colleagues, will be welcoming Shubhanshu. They will be felicitating Shubhanshu, and this will be around 3 days visit of Shubhanshu Shukla, but due to security protocol, he will not be allowed to go to his residence. But you can see the excitement level on road. The kids, they are welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla. The teachers are here, and the common people of Lucknow, they are also on road to welcome Shubhanshu. So you can see these kids, they are obviously very much excited. I'll talk to some of the students. How's the excitement level, beta?
It's super high, and we are very excited to meet him.
You have having STEM to the stars inspired by Shukla's ISS. So how you feel inspired by Shubhanshu Shukla's success?
I feel very inspired by him, as he is from our city, and all he has done is very inspiring for all of us.
What will you say?
He is a very nice person, and
He's an inspiration.
yes,
Shubhanshu Shukla is an inspiration.
yes.
You can see these kids, they are standing in this weather when any time rain can occur, but despite all that, they are super excited. The Lucknow is super excited. CMS school where he studied, see, they are felicitating today, and you can see some flower petals to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. So obviously this is a great achievement by Shubhanshu, who is from Lucknow, and today is the first visit. I spoke to his sister Shuchi. She obviously said that the family members, the relatives, they are very much excited. They are welcoming. And today morning, when Deputy CM Brijesh Pathak was at airport, he welcomed Shubhanshu Shukla, the first person, Mayor Sushma Khargwal. She was at airport. She welcomed Shubhanshu Shukla, and not only the politicians, not only the VVIPs, not only the common people, but obviously the kids who are the main motive behind all this felicitation, because the kids who will be inspired by Shubhanshu Shukla's success are going to get some of the teachings from Shubhanshu Shukla. So I can see the voice of Hooters. It means that Shubhanshu Shukla will be at this place, the joining place of G20 Road and Gomti Nagar Extension Road. So from this place, Shubhanshu Shukla will be heading to CMS school, and after reaching CMS, Shubhanshu will be felicitated. He will also convene a press conference, and I'll talk to some more students. Beta, how do you feeling? Shubhanshu Shukla will be here in couple of minutes.
Very excited. I'm feeling that he's coming, and he's a very pride for all of us, as he has gone to space and he has done very lot of things to India, and we are excited.
Sir, I'm excited as well, since he's the we're very prideful, since he's the pride of our nation, and I'm just very excited.
So you can see these kids, they are excited, and they are just waiting for Shubhanshu Shukla's arrival. So in another couple of minutes, Shubhanshu will be here. He will get a grand welcome by these kids, the supporters, the supporters of Shubhanshu Shukla, who is on road. So everyone, obviously in Lucknow, the Lucknow ka ladka is here in Lucknow, and obviously this success is a huge success. I'll show you the picture. Shubhanshu Shukla is here. You can see the convoy in a huge security arrangement. Shubhanshu Shukla and his family members, they are here. So this is the picture. This is the picture where you can see Shubhanshu Shukla, who is on a special rath with huge number of supporters. So these supporters, they are here with a huge security arrangements. I can show you Shubhanshu Shukla along with the chairman of the CMS, Geeta Gandhi. So Geeta Gandhi along with Shubhanshu Shukla, his wife and other family members. You can see Shubhanshu Shukla's son also, the mayor Sushma Khargwal. She is on this special rath. So Shubhanshu Shukla, the smile, I'll show you the picture of Shuchi, sister of Shubhanshu Shukla. She is also on this special rath. So this is the picture where you can see the smile of these kids who are here to welcome Shubhanshu, and not only kids, not only the common man, but the VVIPs, including Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He will be meeting Shubhanshu Shukla today, and this event, this day is going to be very inspirational for thousands of kids. So the local residents, they are also here. They are taking selfies, they are clicking pictures, and you can see everyone is here on road to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla, the son of Lucknow. So excitement level is very high, the security arrangements are very high, and obviously the inspiration level of these kids, this is also very high. So Shubhanshu Shukla, the hero, the inspiration of Axiom mission, and the one member of Gaganyaan mission which is proposed in another couple of years. So Shubhanshu Shukla will be a member of Gaganyaan when the first human-based spacecraft will be in space by India. So that will be an achievement, and obviously the excitement level. I'll again show you this human chain made by kids of different schools, including CMS, DPS, and obviously I'll show you the pictures, the family members, the person who are with Shubhanshu. They are here in the convoy, and everyone is getting a grand welcome by the people, by the kids of Lucknow. So streets of Lucknow is ready and they are welcoming its hero, its inspiration, Shubhanshu Shukla. So
We can see,
these kids,
you
they
know,
are
the
from
patriotism and the pride that fills up the atmosphere and the air, the smiles on the faces, and of course, Shubhanshu Shukla on top of that chariot, that special chariot that has been created, you know, in order to take him from the airport. In fact, he's going to the G20 venue, and there you can see his family members, his wife, his son as well. And Pallab Bagla joining us in order to get us the very latest on this. Pallab, what a moment of pride it is, and the goosebumps that we're all feeling, seeing the homeboy of Lucknow making it to his family members, making it home, he's going to be going to his school. He'll get felicitated at the CMS school, also will be felicitated by the government of Uttar Pradesh, and it is of course the Deputy Chief Minister who was there at the airport. Take us through, what does this mean for India and for the future generations, because it's extremely inspiring.
Absolutely. This road show for a Gaganyatri, for somebody who's achieved something very unique for India, is a very nice thing. And it will go on to do what former President APJ Abdul Kalam used to say, to ignite minds. So Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, who's no longer just a group captain but a Gaganyatri, is igniting the minds of young people. And now Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants a pool of astronauts. And for that, who knows, maybe many more children from Lucknow, many more children from his own alma mater, the City Montessori School in Lucknow, may well become astronauts. Because once you see a person like Shubhanshu having achieved what he achieved, remember, he was born 1 year after India's first astronaut, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, went into space. Rakesh Sharma went in 1984, Group Captain Shukla was born in 1985. He's just 39 years of age. He has a long career ahead to contribute to India's Gaganyaan program, and that was exactly what was required, was to have somebody who can wet his hands on human space flight. He did exactly that with the Axiom 4 mission, which I sometimes called Mission Akash Ganga, and now he's back, right now he's enjoying the moment, hopefully, in his hometown, going to his own school, alma mater, City Montessori School, where he studied till class 12, and from there he went on to the National Defence College and did his studies there, became an Indian Air Force officer, becoming a test pilot, and finally landing the job as an astronaut designate and becoming the first astronaut for India in the 21st century. So he is igniting minds, he is creating a fervor which is required to make sure that India's Gaganyaan program succeeds. So a right environment in the right city, he's going to be enjoying that moment, but hard work awaits him here onwards.